Okay YouTube, here's my bike check. I have Sins 8-inch bars, Snafu grips, bar ends, a Mongoose stem, and headset. Just a generic forks and front wheel. CSTD tread tires, Snafu seat, Snafu pedals, stolen mop cranks, like stolen class sprocket, whatever it's called. A Walmart chain mixed with a KMC chain. Fit bike back wheel, and the same tires from the front and back. And there's a frame. It's like a Haro X1 Special Edition, and that's pretty much it. That's my bike. Thanks for watching. Right, I'll do yours.
You gotta take it off. You gotta change mine.